Welcome everyone. So last class আমি ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো about how to construct table from raw data. Data খিনি কালেক্ট কৰাৰ পিছত সেইখিনি concisely represent কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি table বনাব লাগে so that we can make some conclusion from them, and that is done by creating table and classification, and also আমি discuss কৰিছিলো what is frequency table and all. So আজি আমি discuss কৰিম how to make graphs or diagrams from those data, right? So we are interested in graphical representation. Okay, so the chapter is called graphs and diagrams. Okay, so graphical representation actually কিয় ইউজ কৰা যায়, the main motive behind graphical representation of a data is প্ৰথমটো হ'ল you want to make your data look visually interesting, যে দেখিলে তাক কিবা এটা তুমি conclusion draw কৰিব পাৰা system কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি graphical representation কৰোঁ. next কথা হ'ল এখন টেবল প্ৰত্যেকজন মানুহে বুজি নাপাবও পাৰে, right? Until and unless that particular person has some kind of prior knowledge, agote kiba ta knowledge ase regarding that particular topic, heitu nathakile tumar sai just eta look die table ekhonot ki hoy ase, what is happening and what is the meaning of different columns, rows, figures bure ki mean kori ase hebur buji nepabo pare manu, right? But still we want to convey a message that means without any analysis but without any hardcore statistics or mathematics apply nokorake ami data khini pora eta just general idea manuhor uporot represent koribo bicharu manuhor agot. So heitur karone basically the word is layman, right? So layman's mean someone without any particular technical knowledge about this thing, right? Layman means সাধাৰণ মানুহ, জনসাধাৰণ. So layman ok বুজি পোৱা সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে we use your graphs and diagrams. So how this is helpful to make layman understand? So I guess you all know or follow cricket, right? So when a cricket match is going on, we saw that there are various types of diagram they use. The বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ pictures ere the entire match কি ধৰণৰ situation আছে, কি ধৰণত হৈছে, all of those informations are displayed on your television. So one of them is very common, যে এটা প্লেয়াৰে কোনটো এৰিয়াত কিমান % তেওঁ কৰিছে, that can be done, right? যে ইয়াতে suppose 15% score কৰিছে, যে 20% ইয়াত scores কৰিছে, ইয়াতে 0% কৰিছে, suppose that this is 35% score here and all. So this is the name of this is wagon wheel diagram, right? Wagon wheel বুলি কয়. So wagon wheel ot দেখাইছে যে different এজন প্লেয়াৰে কোনটো এৰিয়াত কিমান % তেওঁ মাৰ্ক ৰান কৰিছে. So then there is another diagram where suppose দেখায় যে তোমাৰ প্ৰথম ওভাৰত কিমান ৰান আছিলে, right? second ওভাৰত কিমান ৰান হ'ল, then first over second ওভাৰত ইমান ৰান কৰিলে, third ওভাৰত ইমান ৰান হ'ল, then আকৌ কমি গ'ল and all. So this kind of diagram are also used, right? So run kiman run koisa every over or end of, right? So this is one kind of diagram. Then there is another kind of diagram jot tumar suppose this is first team or enake run bur bahisile, and there is another team starting from 0 tahate enake goal, they decrease and then ultimately they win. right? So কি ধৰণৰ run asile after every ball throughout, just suppose this is a T20 match, right? So there will be 120 balls per team. 120 ballsত তাহাঁতৰ যি total run asile he run to কেনে ধৰণে move কৰিছে, that is another diagram. So এই গোটেই যে আমি এইটো এটা diagram, এইটো এটা diagram, এইটো এটা diagram, all of them has different purpose, but one of the different situation বা different condition য'ত আমি তাক apply কৰোঁ, but the basic purpose বা basic idea এনেকুৱা যে এজন মানুহ যিয়ে পঢ়া শুনা বা mathematicsৰ লগত কোনো ধৰণৰ টাৰ্মছ নাই বা statisticsৰ লগত তেওঁ কোনো ধৰণৰ knowledge নাই statisticsৰ বিষয়ে, still anyone watching the game এই ডায়াগ্ৰামখন দেখিয়ে হি এটা আইডিয়া কৰিব পাৰে যে yellow teamটো, the yellow line is more steady than red line, right? Red line dal dekhiba je hi majote beya performance asile team to then they increases, but yellow dal chale dekhiba je they are consistently increasing. Heitu eta idea koribo para. Then tumi dekhibo para je suppose this particular over, A over 2 and A over 2 are good for the betting team, right? Heitu koriba then korbat dekhisa je a enake ase, right? So this is suppose over 1, over 2, 1 run, over 3, over 4, over 5, 1 run, and over 6 suppose 10 run, and so on. So আমি দেখিয়ে গম পাম যে okay, over 1, over 3, over 4 are maiden, so 0 run হৈছে তাত, right? So সেই আইডিয়াখিনি আমি জাস্ট গ্ৰাফখন দেখিয়ে এটা আইডিয়া কৰিব পাৰিম. So it is so quick যে তুমি এখন টেবল যদি মই এনেকে বনাই দিও তোমাক যে the run rates or the runs, say suppose over 1 or 0 asile, over 2 suppose 1 run asile, similarly suppose tumar 3 over 1 run, 4 over 0, 5 over 0, etc. So this kind of a table will not be that much of an interesting for the viewer. যে মানুহজনে বা তুমি অডিয়েন্সক যদি তেনেকুৱা এখন টেবল দিয়া, অডিয়েন্সে টেবল চাই কেতিয়াও তোমাৰ ইন্টাৰভেট কৰিবলৈ ভাল নাপায়, because it requires some kind of skill, knowledge and time যে তুমি প্ৰিসাইজলি চাব লাগিব, স্পেসিফিক্যালি তুমি মন দি চাব লাগিব. but instead এখন ডায়াগ্ৰাম বা পিকচাৰ্স এখনত চাবলৈ হলে তোমাৰ পিকচাৰ্সখনে খুব সোনকালে তোমাৰ ইনফৰমেশন দিয়ে. so there is one very famous quote ji কৈছিলে যে the quote was a picture tells 1000 words, right? So that's the concept behind why we use pictures so much. So there are some merits and demerits of pictures. Let's talk about the merits. What are the merits? Number 1, it is simple to understand. It is simple to understand even for a layman. Even for a layman. Layman means someone without any kind of expert views বা knowledge. Number 2, it conveys complicated informations with ease within a short time. Within a short time. Number 3, it is capable of creating lasting impression. In the mind of a viewer. So সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকে চাবা ইয়াৰ অৰ্থটো ইট ইজ থাৰ্ড প্ৰথম টপিকটো হ'ল ইট ইজ ভেৰি ইজি সিম্পল টু আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড ইভেন ফৰ এ লেমান ষ্টেণ্ডাৰ্ড তুমি খুব সহজতে গ্ৰাফবোৰ বুজি পোৱা যায় তাত কোনো ধৰণৰ লজিক নাথাকে বা কোনো ধৰণৰ তুমি স্পেচিয়েলিটিজ নালাগে তোমাক তুমি সিম্পলি চালেই তাৰ পৰা এটা আইডিয়া কৰিব পাৰা নেক্সট কথা হ'ল যে বহুত কমপ্লিকেটেড ইনফৰমেশ্যন যে এখন বহুত তুমি ক্লাষ্টাৰ যে বহুত কেইটা ৰ' আছে কলম আছে কলমৰ ভিতৰত আকৌ আমি কলম ভিতৰত তাত সাব হেডিং আছে এনেকুৱা ভ্যালু এটা তুমি টেবুল এখন বনাই দিলে এখন প্ৰকাণ্ড টেবুল হৈ যাব বাট সেই টেবুলখন যদি তুমি ডায়াগ্ৰাম হিচাপে শ্ব' কৰিব বিচাৰিছা দেন খুব সহজতে তুমি সেইটো ডায়াগ্ৰাম হিচাপে শ্ব' কৰিব পাৰা এণ্ড মানুহে খুব সহজতে এণ্ড তুমি ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰেট কৰা এখন টেবুল ডাঙৰ টেবুল এখন ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰেট কৰোঁতে তোমাক যিমান সময় লাগিব তাতকৈ এ ফ্ৰেকশ্যন অফ টাইমত তুমি এখন ডায়াগ্ৰাম ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰেট কৰিব পাৰিবা তাৰপিছত থাৰ্ড পইণ্টটো হ'ল মেনি টাইম আমি এটা ডায়াগ্ৰাম বা পিকচাৰ্ছ বা যিকোনো আমি দেখোঁ ইট লিভ এ লং লাষ্টিং ইম্প্ৰেশ্যন ইন আৱাৰ মাইণ্ড দেন কম্পেয়াৰিং টু তুমি টেবল বা তুমি এটা পেৰাগ্ৰাফ পঢ়া পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো পঢ়াৰ পিছত তুমি যিমান দূৰ দেৰি মনত ৰাখিব পাৰিবা তাতকৈ তুমি এখন যদি পিকচাৰ্ছ বা ডায়াগ্ৰাম তুমি চোৱা সেইখন বেছি সময়লৈকে তোমাৰ মনত থাকি যায় চ' দেটছ দ্য পাৱাৰ অফ এ ডায়াগ্ৰাম Then number 4 is 2 or more series of data but sets of data can be easily compared right easily compare কৰিব পাৰি Number 4 মানে মই অলৰেডি আগতে এইমাত্ৰ এখন ডায়াগ্ৰাম আমি দেখাইছিলোঁ যে এইখন চোৱা এই ডায়াগ্ৰামখনত ইন দিছ ডায়াগ্ৰাম আমি দুটা টিমক টিম এ সে সাপোজ yellow is team A red is suppose team B so team A team B আমি ইজিলি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰিছোঁ যে হিহঁতৰ কি ধৰণৰ পাৰফৰ্মেন্স আছিলে throughout the game right so that is the power of a diagram these are some merits now with merits there are some demerits also demerits are number 1 demerits whole So many times diagram है approximate कर दिए nature of the data right precision तो कम हो जाए suppose तुम्हें diagram এখন আঁকিব গৈছা তো diagramৰ কাৰণে 13.05 and 12.95 দুইটা round up হৈ maximum time 13 হৈ যায় right but table আকাৰত দেখিলে তুমি দেখিবা যে they are not the same value but diagram আঁকিব গলে দেখিবা যে they are many time তুমি approximated হৈ যায় because তুমি ইমান minutely আঁকিব নোৱাৰা and minutely আঁকিব নোৱাৰা কাৰণে তুমি তাক round off কৰিব লগা হয় and round off কৰিলে obviously valuable approximate হৈ যায় প্ৰথমটো হ'ল it requires time and effort right because টেবুল এখন বনাবলে তোমাক যিমান সহজে টেবুল এখন বনাব পাৰিবা তাতকে এখন ডায়াগ্ৰাম বনাওতে তোমাক obviously বেছি টাইম লাগিব নাম্বাৰ 2 is the precision of the data is lost while representing them visually. So approximate করা যায়, এটা প্রিসিশন তো নাইকিয়া হয়ে যায়। And number 3, diagrams or graphs can be used easily used to manipulate or mislead information, and it is very commonly done যে information এটা তুমি নিজৰ সুবিধা অনুযায়ী দেখাব লগা হলে you can use diagrams. Okay, so these are the demerits of a diagram. Okay, so these are merits and demerits. Next we will go with the diagram different types. So diagrams means visual representation দুই ধৰণে কৰিব পাৰি। এক হল তোমাৰ diagrams আৰু দুই নম্বৰটো হল graphs। তো ইহঁতৰ মাজত এটা ডিফাৰেন্স আছে। ডিফাৰেন্সটো এইটোৱে যে diagrams are for discrete or ungrouped frequency table. The graphs are for grouped frequency tables. Right? মনত ৰাখিবা গ্ৰুপ ফ্ৰিকুৱেন্সি আনগ্ৰুপ ফ্ৰিকুৱেন্সি যদি মই তোমালোকক ৰেফাৰেন্স দিব লগা হয়, যদি এখন টেবল দিয়া আছে সে about gender কি থাকিব male and female আছে and other ও থাকিব পাৰে to be politically correct. Then number of say patients, এটা ৱাৰ্ডত কিমান মেল আছে কিমান ফিমেল আছে আৰু কিমান other gender. So this is 12, 15 and 3 suppose, right? So a situation to this frequency table is called, I have already discussed about tables and frequency tables, still my reference DS, so this is a ungrouped frequency table, right? Eta group frequency table ki hobo, a grouped frequency table is jeti ami suppose marks loisu and ami tak range hisabe likhisu, right? So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and suppose 40 to 50, and number of students dia ase, suppose number of students are there are 5, 10, 15 and 5 suppose. So that is a group frequency table. So basically enukwa dhoroner table jodi tumi banabo bisarisa diagrammatically dekhabo bisarisa visually, you will have to use diagrams. Enukwa dhoroner jodi tumi dibo bisarisa, then you will have to use graphs, right? That's the basic difference, and hetu hoday monot rakhibo a difference to, right? So visual representation are of two types, diagrams and graphs. Diagrams are for ungrouped frequency, graphs are for group frequency, and diagram or under ami pohim about bar diagram and then tumar pie diagram বা pie chart, and then we will also study about line diagram and pictograms. Okay, now pictograms are not commonly used, but তোমালোকৰ examination point of view pura pictogram nalage because heitur question nahe. But yes, bar diagram you should know for life. Pie diagram and line diagram tumi not only HS first year course or karone GA nopora kyo life or GA nokora kyo, you will always need this bar pie line diagram. Tumi G field ote nujua kyo, whether you are planning to be an engineer, whether you are planning to be in medical science, or you are planning to be some other, tumi G line ote nujua kyo, at one point of your life you will have to use them, right? It is the most commonly used thing. Bar diagram, pie chart, line diagram iman nohoy, but bar diagram and pie chart are the most commonly used to represent any kind of data. And then until and unless it is not grouped, at a group hoi joar lage group what we will study about. The first is called histogram, next is called frequency polygon, next is called frequency curve, and last one is called ogive, OGIVE, ogive. So these are 4 types of graphs, these are 4 types of diagrams. So let's start with bar diagram. Number 1 is bar diagram. It's a bar diagram use hoy when the magnitude matters. Magnitude means value matter kore. Value matter kora in the sense that suppose you are comparing your expenditure at the end of every month, right? So tumi prottek mahote kiba eta khoros kori asa, and tumi heito hisab rakhisa je mur prottek mahote kiman khoros hoise. Like January 2020 tumar suppose 2000 toka khoros hoisile, February 2020 suppose tumar 3000 toka khoros hoise, and so on, right? Ite yate kiman khoros hoise, it is a point to be look at, je tumi sabo bisarisa je tumar kuntu mahor atakke beshi hoise, right? So etia magnitude means value to tumar kane matter kore enuka dhorono. When these values matter, tetia tumi hoda bar diagram use koribo lage. Ei value burok compare koribo pari just different successive year month bilakot, je January para February loke ki comparison, February para March logot ki comparison, March to April ki comparison, ebur koribo karone the base diagram is bar diagram. Kenake draw kore, it's very simple. You just take an XY plan, right? We take an XY plan, and XY planot along X axis eta tumar thakibo. So along X axis will be the different categories, right? Jar karone there. So moi let's for the simplicity ami eta data assume korilo, right? So data to dhorilo enukwa dhoronor je there are some months let me write somewhere else. ইয়াতে আমি definition to লিখিম. Let me take this data that there are some months and then expenditure. Expenditure means cost, right? So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Let's say June like a simple rakhu, not too much data, right? And your expenditure in the month January was suppose 1500, February it was 1200, March it was 2000, then April it was 0 due to lockdown to me ulai joa nai, May to 0, and June somehow it is 1000, right? So let's say this is your situation, right? This is the data, right? Jak ami bar diagram plot koribo lage. So amar yate what are the values categories January, February, March, April, May and June, right? So yat ami ki likhim, this is January, this is February, this is March, this is April, this is May, and this is June, right? And along y-axis you will plot the data. Je tomar ji value ase, you will plot them in y-axis. Ite kisoman points ase jibilak tumi monot rakhibo lagibo. First of all, the width, basically bar diagram is nothing but some rectangular shapes, and here the height to is proportionate to the value. Yate January the value is 1500, so here height to obviously me 1500 height or akibo nwaru, 1500 centimeter o akibo nwaru. So ami hodai eta appropriate ratio loilo. Let's say this is let's make, okay, this is 500, this is suppose 1000, and this one is suppose 1500, right? So January, right? This one is represent January. The next column, which is February, 1200, so it will be somewhere here. So let's say this is February. It a point jitu ami bar diagram ot akote monot rakhibo lagibo, that point is eitu tumar jiman width ase iman bohol loise to box to eitu should be same, eke bohol hobo lagibo, and is a major gap ase, that gap should also be homogeneous. Je yat tumi suppose 1 cm gap loisa, yato 1 cm gap ei thakibo lagibo, right? So this is suppose 2000, right? And then this is 0, so eku na thake, 0 eku na thake, then this one is, so a major gap as well as tumar box bilakor gap by your width should be constant. Prottekoke fix rakhibo lagibo. That is the only rule that you should follow, and then your height bilak according to your size change hoye thakibo. So it a diagram khon akar loga lage, you can shade them as you want, or you may leave them same, teneke rakhibo para, set koribo para, it's up to you, right? Koilu, and etia ami dekhilu that this is the highest, right? Top ataitke ukho etu ase, ukho mane ki, that is the maximum value, and maximum value ki asile 2000. So I mean just diagram khon dekhiye gom pai golo. Just if I try to make this neat, okay, so let's remove this, let me draw this again. Okay, so let's use this one. Here is the y-axis, there is the x-axis, and this line, this March, April, May, June, right? So for this, suppose this is 500, this is 1000, this is 1500, and this is 2000. This is January, this is February, this is March, this is April, this one is May, and this one is June. So the first, it will be up to this mark, this. For a second, it will be somewhere here. So the next, it will be here. The next one will be 0, 0, and for June it will be 1000. 1000 is this tall, right? So you can write down the values also. The eitur karne their values are 1500, 1200, 2000, 0, 0, and then 1000. So this is figure called bar diagram of monthly expenditure, right? So এই যে লিখিলো তলত, this is called figure name, and প্ৰত্যেকটো ডায়াগ্ৰামৰ তলত এনেকুৱা figure name নিয়া is a লিখাটো is a rule. So এই তুমি ডায়াগ্ৰামখন চোৱাৰ লগে লগে you can have a clear idea কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যে তুমি দেখিলা যে which month you spend the max. তুমি দেখিলা যে on the month of March I got the highest expenditure. যে এইটো this is the highest expenditure, right? At the same time তুমি এইটো দেখিলা যে April and May মাহত মোৰ একদমে expenditure হোৱা নাই, the lowest expenditure. এইটো idea হৈ গল. So also you had idea যে মোৰ expenditure 0 পৰা 2000 ৰ ভিতৰতে থাকে, তাতকে বেছি বাহিৰত না যায়, and on an average যে মই 1000 or 2000 ৰ মাজতেই থাকো, right? So you can have so many idea from a single diagram. এটা drawback কি হয় যে this requires a lot of time. যে তুমি টেবুলখন লিখোতে মোৰ যিমান সময় লাগিছিলে তাতকে মোৰ ডায়াগ্ৰামটো আকোতে বেছি সময় গ'ল, right? But টেবুলখন চাই তুমি যেটো আইডিয়া কৰিব পাৰিবা. Now this is a simple table, so it does not make much of a difference. But এখন ডাঙৰ টেবুল আৰু এটা diagram like this, obviously the time needed to consume it and time needed to process it in your brain will be so much different. যে তুমি খুব কম সময়ৰ ভিতৰতে তুমি গোটেই ডেটা খিনি process কৰিব পাৰিবা, right? So that is bar diagram. এইটোক simple bar diagram বুলি কয়. This one is called a simple bar diagram. Simple bar diagram. Simple bar diagram তুমি just এটা category তুমি compare কৰি আছা ইয়াত আমি compare কৰি আছো যে মোৰ জুন মাহত জানুৱাৰী মাহত এপ্ৰিল মাহত ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী মাহত কি expenditure আছে তাহাঁতৰ কি ধৰণৰ কোনটো ডাঙৰ কোনটো বেছি simple. So then there is another type which is called multiple bar diagram. So as the name suggests yate ami multiple diagram aki. So let's take an example of data jeta data lom which is suppose let's take 2001 2002 2003 2004 and 2005. Okay, there was two teams, team A and team B. So in 2001 team A won 36 matches while team B won 32 matches. In 2002 this was 90 and this was 66. 2003 48 and 32 and this one is 16 in 2004 and this one is 40 and this one again is 72 and 60, right? So ami ki koribo lage je yat chua agor jitu amar data asile this data is only one category months ase khali monthor uporot tar value khini ase, right? These are values. So values or uporot iman dependent nohoy we are looking at je tak kiman dhorne tak bhag korise classify ki dhorne hoise. So classify kora yat just etai criteria loisu is the month je beleg month expenditure kiman ase kintu yat chua eibaro jitu data ase yate tumar year hisapeo ase teamu ase je teamu duta ase year pasta ase, right? So there are two conditions based on which the entire data is divided. যে বেলেগ কারণত যে দুটা কারণত আমি ডেটাটো ভাগ কৰি দিছো টিম as well as year. So এতিয়া যদি এইটো ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব লগা হয় we use multiple bar diagram. Okay, multiple bar diagram. So ইয়াত কি কৰিম multiple bar diagram তোমাৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো ইয়াৰৰ কাৰণে কৰিব পাৰা, দুই ধৰণে আঁকিব পাৰি, right? You can either take team A তুমি যদি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিব বিচাৰিছা at different years দুইটা টিম কেনেকৈ পাৰফৰ্ম কৰি আছে or at every year তোমাৰ কি ধৰণৰ ট্ৰেন্ডটো চেঞ্জ হৈছে that is also possible. বা তুমি as a whole টিমটোৰ ভিতৰতে so within the team তুমি বিচাৰিছা যে হি প্ৰত্যেকটো ইয়াৰতে কেনেকৈ ধৰণে হি চেঞ্জ হৈ আছে that is also possible. So মই দুটা ডায়াগ্ৰাম দেখাম but one is more commonly used than the other. The one in which তুমি year লবা যে the years were 2001, right? So yate suppose 2002 2003 2004 and this is 2005. So এতিয়া যেহেতু দুটা ভ্যালু আছে so আমি সাইড বাই সাইড in case of multiple bar diagram দুইটা টিমৰ ভ্যালু for the year এটা particular year কাৰণে দুইটা টিম আমি সাইড বাই সাইড লিখিম. So let's take some intervals here. say this is your 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, right? So first one is 36, team A karone 36 and team B karone 32, which is very close, very close, right? Then 2002 karone for team A it is 90, right? 90 will be this tall, and for team B it is 66, so it will be somewhere around here, right? Ekhini man ukho hobo tomar for 66. For 2003 the values are 48 and 32, so 48 means somewhere around here, and for 32 it will be somewhere around here, so 32. Then 16 and 14, so 16 will be somewhere around this, and it is 40, so 40 will be this tall, right? And the last one is 72, so 72 will be somewhere around here, and your 60 will be somewhere around here, okay? This thing. So here you can color them, you can give different colors. So ami yellow for team A use kori aso, right? So this is team A, yellow is for team A, and red is for team B, right? This is team B. And you will have to explain this, that tumi belek color to ki mean kore, and this thing is called writing legend boli koy. So team B and yellow is team A, right? So it A diagram to what is the advantage that we are comparing the year, right? So every year ot duita teamor ki dhorona performance, so tumi eitu sale dekhiba je they were same, here dekhiba je A was better, here A was better, here B was better, here again it is approximately same, right? So that's how you draw multiple bar diagram. It a situation to a data to you can also draw a different kind of data which is not very common, but you can draw it. That is jodi tumi enake draw kora je tumi team A er value khini disa je A iman paise, then next year iman asile, then third year 2003, 2004 iman, and 2005 on again increase hoigol, right? So this kind of data to team A, and these are different years. And to me think that team B karone to me draw koribo para, team B is much higher, let's say the team B, and then this one and this one, this one is higher, right? And then this one, right? So this is team B. The same data can also be drawn like this or this, but this one is more preferred. This one is only jodi tumi team A er ki dhoroner performance change hoise aru team B er performance ki dhoroner change hoise over the year hetu sabo bichaisa, but at the same time e gote khini etia tumi single ke okol year khini loi aru team A loyo tumi ekhon simple bar diagram akhibo para, আৰু টিম বিৰ ভ্যালুখিনি লৈ and ইয়াৰখিনি লৈও তুমি এখন সিম্পল বাৰ ডায়াগ্ৰাম আঁকিব পাৰা ৰাইট সো দিস ইজ সামহাউ লাইক দ্যাট যে সেই বস্তুটো দুখন সিম্পল বাৰ ডায়াগ্ৰাম আঁকাতকে আমি একেখন ডায়াগ্ৰামতে আঁকিছো বাট দিস ওয়ান ইজ নট প্ৰিফাৰ্ড this one is what we prefer to represent or to compare data so এইখনক কি কোৱা হয় multiple bar diagram right the next type of diagram is called subdivided or component bar diagram component bar diagram so here we draw bar diagram the total value tuk ami bhag kori diu so here we will take a different type of data let's say stream okay stream male female science art and commerce and say suppose 78 22 65 35 and 57 well, let's take for simplicity kisuman rounded multiple of 5 value loes so let's say this is 75 25 and this is suppose 50 50 let's say the 50 জন male ase 50 jon female ase 75 male ase 25 female ase 65 35 all of them has 100 students right? Total 100 here 100 here 100 and here 100 okay so here if you calculate the total right so male it will be 190 this will be your this will be 110 so total we have 300 students right so now if you draw a diagram bar diagram like this so ami jano je science ot 100 jon student ase so this is suppose let's say this is it should be multiple of 5 okay so up to 100 that will be a big number so let's say 10 20 30 40 50 then 60 70 80 90 and 100 so there are 3 streams right science arts commerce so ami science or karone beleg eta bar arts or karone eta beleg bar aru commerce or karone beleg bar akim and tumi mon koriba je total number of students for all of them is the same right that is 100 আমি কি কৰিম we will now এইটোৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত 100 টো মই simplicity কাৰণে লৈছো and that does not mean যে সদায় তুমি গোটেইকেইটাৰে same value পাবা তুমি বেলেগো পাব পাৰা right so this is science this is arts 100 total 100 আমি প্ৰথমতে total to draw কৰিলো so this is commerce here science or ক্ষেত্ৰত তুমি চোৱা যে 75 of them were male so 75 suppose up to this so let's say yellow represent male so out of 100 75 were male baki khini ki hol female hol right for arts 65 of them were male so 65 means somewhere here yaloke so this is your male the rest is your female right ito female and in case of your commerce it was 50-50 so this is male and the rest is female right so yato ami explain koribo lagibo the what the color mean so this is female and this one is male right so this is called a figure sub divided bar diagram ite a bostu to this is not necessarily je hokolore saman hobo lagibo so I will give ite a to bostu there can also be done with respect to male and female also je tumi male female loisa and science tetia bhag korisa je suppose how many male total number 190 right so 190 so suppose this is 50 this is 100 150 200 right so male and female size ami suppose this is male this is female so male total kiman asile 190 so it will be somewhere around here right so it will be somewhere around here so iman ini total number of male female total kiman asile 110 so it will be somewhere around here right? so this is female so it is what total number duitara saman nohoy unlike our first one it out of this male right out of this 190 75 science 65 arts and 50 commerce so prothom ami ki korim up to 75 so this is 75 up to this there is 1 75 plus 65 will give you 130 right sorry 140 70 plus 65 140 so up to 140 up to this 140 mark this is your arts and pisor jikhini value ase say this one is your commerce right division so ami dekhilu je within this male arts and commerce science are same but commerce I suppose and females of it are 25 35 and 50 so yellow 25 suppose 50% 25 then 35 so 25 plus 35 is equal to 60 so it will be somewhere here right and rest is 50 is commerce right so this is science this is arts, and the rest is commerce. Right? So দেখিলা যে মেলৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত science and arts ত বেছি value আছিলে, but ইয়াৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত females ত commerce বেছি আছে. So we can have an idea, right? So these two are subdivided bar diagram. So next is your pie chart বা pie diagram. Pie chart বুলি ক'লেও correct, pie diagram বুলি ক'লেও correct. So pie diagram is simple. It is to divide a circle, the angle of the circle according to the ratio বা value. So let's take an example that to me you are representing gender. Okay, gender, there are male, there are female, and there are others, right? And number of students loisa, right? So suppose it is 55, it is 35 and 10, right? So 55 35 10. So 55 35 10 of the represent koribo lage, you will have to convert them into corresponding angles. The angles prothom janibo lagibo the total. So the total is 100, right? So the angles ulabo karone ki koribo lage, the value 55 divided by the total into 360 degree. So 35 by 100 into 360 degree and 10 into 100 by 360 degree, right? So the value you will get will be placed here. Okay. So the values are, eketa jodi simplify kora, you will get 198 degree, 126 degree and 36 degree. So you will have to divide them according to that. 198 means obviously it will be greater than 180, right? So 120, so it will be somewhere around here. And then 120, so let's say this is 120 and the rest, right? So here also you can use different colors. So let's say this is your male. The male is represented by yellow, right? So red is representing female, and the rest is representing other, right? So that is how we draw a pie chart. So pie chart or kono division na, there is only one type of pie chart. So that is how we draw a pie chart. The next one is called line diagram, right? So next one is line diagram. So line diagram are normally used for the word is chronological data. Chronological data means jetia tumi time or hoite data collect kori thoka, ba this there is another term for this which is called time series data. And time series statistics or a complete tumar branch ase of time series, right? So time series ot ki kore with time information collect kori goi thake. Etia dhori lua simple example, tumi পেট্ৰলৰ প্ৰাইচ চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে এভৰি টাইম সো তুমি পেট্ৰলৰ প্ৰাইচ লাষ্ট ধৰি লোৱা 5 বছৰৰ কাৰণে কি হৈ আছে এভৰি ডে কালেক্ট কৰিছা বা 5 বছৰ নহয় সাপোজ তুমি লাষ্ট 3 মাহত পেট্ৰলৰ প্ৰাইচ ডেইলি কি ধৰণে আছিল হেতু যদি যেটা তুমি কালেক্ট কৰি আছা it is dependent on the time right কোন তাৰিখ মতে দি তুমি ইনফৰমেশন তো কালেক্ট কৰি আছা so that's why it is called chronological বা time series data and time series data যেতিয়া represent কৰিব লগা হয় তেতিয়া আমি হদাই line diagram use কৰো so line diagram of concept to ekdom সহজ so there will be time point থাকিব along x axis the different time points at where these are collected and instead of bar ebar ami point plot korim so let's take an example the 1990 1991 1992 1993 1995 right so these are years and tar logot income dia ase suppose of a company so this is suppose 12 18 25 27 and 30 right so we will start with 5 10 15 20 25 and 30 suppose so this is 1990 this is 1991 1992 1993 1994 and 1995 right so 1990 tomar kiman asile 12 asile so it is something here then it become 18 so it will be somewhere here then it become 25 so it is here right then it is 27 so it will be somewhere here and then lastly it is 30 so now we simply join these dotted dots right so we join this dot and a2 kwa hoy your line diagram and these dots are joined by a straight line okay so to me egeta point asile so this is a line diagram so এতিয়া ইয়াত লাইন ডায়াগ্রাম টাইম সিরিজ ডেটাৰ কাৰণে প্লট কৰা কাৰণটো হ'ল যে টাইম সিরিজ ডেটাৰ লাইন ডায়াগ্রাম কৰিলে তুমি অটোমেটিক্যালি ট্ৰেন্ডটো গম পাই যাবা এটা এই কোম্পানীটোৰ পিছৰ ফালে আছে সাপোজ 1996 ইয়াতৰ বহুত বেয়া অৱস্থা হ'ল and it become say their profit or income is suppose 14 whole months star next 1996 or the value will be somewhere here so tetia ami ki korim join korim right ei line dal iyalake join korim and then 14 or pora ako decrease hol suppose 12 lake gol and he gradually decrease hoy goi thakile right so ami idea ta palo je there was a phase jeta company to khub profit kori asile up to this mark and then tar pisot company to bear condition start hol right so this why line diagrams are important and they are used in your field so next is the last type of diagram is called pictogram pictogramot ami pictures use koru to represent data so example hold the suppose in 2018 2019 and in 2020 কিমান ফিমেল আৰু মেল আছে ইন এ ক্লাছ আমি এইটো চাব বিচাৰিছো let's say this is 10 and this one it is 15 so this is suppose 10 20 and this time again 10 so I will draw value just suppose female koibor karone ami female bilakok for female suppose in 2018 there are 10 right so ami 10 females or anake pictures draw korim right so you can draw 10 or we can use 5 and say that this represent 2 females or even tatkeo jodi simple tumi koribo bisarisa you can draw 2 of them and say that one of this represent 5 female so 2019 not kiman ase 10 ase so it will be and 2020 it will be 3 right so that is pictogram jot ami pictures kisuman use kori data represent koru now this is not commonly used because manually picture aka is not easy and tatko dangor kotha hoje suppose yat ami 5 and all ami subidhar karone loisu and hypothetical data what if this is suppose 15 noy 18 asil and ami 5 boli loisilo so that means tumi tinta akibo nwara because it will represent 20 and tumi duta akibo nwara ba tumi sorry eta saita hobo and tumi tinta akila 15 represent korile last to tumi aru eta aki dile it will represent 20 eto nakile tumar ke 15 represent koribo what we will have to do we will have to draw half right just suppose ami tare adha kisu or even ami suppose it draw kora na ekhini akisu so this is not very accurate or precise many time etu confusion ahi jay so that's why pictograms are not recommended right so we don't use pictogram not common okay this is not common right so these are the types of diagrams ami next class ot types of graphs discuss korim histogram or frequency polygon ogive ki hoy eta ami next class ot discuss korim so that's all for today see you in the next class